Bonjour, I'm Bonki Bilel, a French graphic designer and lettering artist. This video is a preview from the course I created to master Procreate called the Procreate Guide, and I will talk more about it at the end of this video. In this lesson, I'm going to show you layer options from the Layers panel. To access the Options menu on a layer, you just have to tap on the Layers panel. Select the layer, then tap it again. At the top of the list, there is Rename. Each time you create a layer, the name is Layer 1, Layer 2, Layer 3, etc. To change the name, tap on Rename, then type or write a new name. Select gives you the ability to select non-transparent parts of your layer. It means where you have painted or drawn on your canvas. Those white and gray diagonal stripes are the area where nothing is selected. You can also hold two fingers on a layer to select it. I will talk to you more about the Select option with the Selection tool later in this course. With the Copy option, you can copy your layer on your clipboard. This means you can paste it into another layer. Tap Actions menu at the top left menu bar, tap Add, then tap Paste. You can also paste it as a new canvas on your gallery thanks to Clipboard. Or paste it to a different Procreate canvas. Or even in another app like Files app. With Fill option, you can fill the entire layer with your current color. Or you can fill a selected shape made with the Select option or the Selection tool. Clear option works the same. You can erase your entire layer, or you can erase a selected shape from the Select option or the Selection tool. Alpha Lock, Mask and Clipping Mask are more complex options, so the next lesson will be dedicated to them. With Invert option, each color of your layer is replaced by its complementary color. Tap Invert option again to get back to the original colors. Reference option is an advanced option for cartoonists and concept artists. With this option, you can create a reference layer to keep color fills and ink lines separate. For example, this layer is now a reference layer. Create a new layer and use Color Drop. Color Drop cannot fill the entire layer, but only inside or outside the shape, even when you hide your reference layer. You can repeat Color Drop in any layer you want. But you can only have one reference layer. Merge Down option merge your active layer with the layer below. Finally, there is Combine Down option. You can use Combine Down in 4 situations. If you use Combine Down on a layer above another layer, this creates a new group. If you use Combine Down on a layer above a group of layers, the selected layer will be the top layer of the group of layers. If you use Combine Down on a group of layers above a layer, the layer will be the bottom layer of the group of layers. And finally, if you use Combine Down on a group of layers above a group of layers, layers of the two groups of layers will be on the same group, with layers of the selected group at the top of this new group. And this last situation is different as group at the top right, because if you group two groups of layers together, this creates a new group with the two groups of layers inside. Voila! And one more thing, if you don't find an option when you tap on your layer, it's because of its place in the Layers panel. For example, there is no Merge Down and Combine Down options for the bottom layer. And there is a last option that I will talk to you about it in the Drawing Guides module. It is Drawing Assist, and you have to enable Drawing Guides and the Actions menu. Canvas, then enable Drawing Guide to make visible Drawing Assist in the layer options. I hope you have found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about Procreate, I have created a complete course called The Procreate Guide to Master This Software with a private forum where I answer all your questions. If you're interested, the link is in the description. Otherwise, you can still look at selected beginner lessons from the Procreate Guide thanks to the playlist on the right. Until the next one, bonsoir!